77 species in genus Hygrophila. My fascination with Hygrophila. I'm Furvu, and I've always been drawn to the quiet beauty of aquatic plants. There's something mesmerizing about the way they sway and dance beneath the water's surface, creating an underwater world of tranquility. Among my favorites is the Hygrophila genus, a diverse group of plants with a fascinating history and a wide range of uses. What is Hygrophila? Hygrophila is a genus of flowering plants belonging to the acanthus family, Acanthaceae. These plants are commonly known as swamp weeds, a rather unflattering name for such elegant flora. They are predominantly found in tropical and subtropical regions around the globe, thriving in wet environments like marshes, riverbanks, and even submerged in water. What makes Hygrophila particularly interesting is its adaptability. Many species within this genus are aquatic, making them popular choices for aquariums and ponds. Their hardiness and relatively easy care requirements make them a great option even for novice aquatic gardeners. A diverse genus. The Hygrophila genus boasts a remarkable diversity, with an estimated 77 species. This vast array of species showcases a wide variety of leaf shapes, sizes, and colors. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Hygrophila in the aquarium. For aquarium enthusiasts like myself, Hygrophila offers a wealth of benefits. Not only do they enhance the aesthetic appeal of an aquarium, but they also contribute to a healthy aquatic environment. Oxygenation. Like all aquatic plants, Hygrophila releases oxygen into the water, which is essential for the well-being of fish and other aquatic life. Nutrient uptake. These plants absorb excess nutrients from the water, such as nitrates and phosphates, helping to maintain water quality and prevent algae growth. Shelter and security. The dense foliage of Hygrophila provides hiding places and a sense of security for fish, particularly shy or smaller species. In addition to these benefits, Hygrophila is relatively easy to care for in an aquarium setting. They generally prefer moderate lighting and a nutrient-rich substrate. Regular pruning will help maintain their shape and encourage bushier growth. Beyond the aquarium. The uses of Hygrophila extend beyond the confines of the aquarium. In some cultures, certain species are used for medicinal purposes, while others have culinary applications. Their ability to thrive in wet environments also makes them valuable for preventing soil erosion and improving water quality in natural habitats. The future of Hygrophila. As research continues, we are likely to discover even more about the Hygrophila genus. Taxonomic revisions may redefine the boundaries of the genus, and new species may be discovered in unexplored regions. The potential for hybridization and the development of new cultivars also hold exciting possibilities for the future of Hygrophila in both aquariums and natural environments. For me, Hygrophila represents the beauty and resilience of the natural world. Its adaptability, diversity, and ecological importance make it a truly fascinating genus worthy of appreciation and further study. I encourage everyone to explore the world of Hygrophila and discover the wonders it holds.